Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to color code your cards in your board to basically show up as green or red based upon the end date that we have there within uh, within our within our task that we have there to accomplish. So basically, how we're going to do that, right? So if we click here on the view, we have the Scrumban from the previous work that we did. If I click here on customize card, we're going to see the fields that we have there for the card, right, that we can actually visualize. I can, down here, can click on advanced mode. When I click on advanced mode, I get into JSON, right? So previously I had the JSON here, here without any customization. And what we have is we have this element type div, right? So we have on the second one, on the element div, we have attributes and we have this BG color white. Okay, and this is what we're going to have to remove. We have to remove this and we have to add basically a formula to be able to do this coloring, right? And I'm going to share that on the video description down there. So here's the JSON that I already made the customization. So what I did was I removed that, basically just removed the MSBG color white. And what I did was I added this right here. And you can change this to whatever color you want. Okay, but basically this is to show that if the end date is, we're just basically adding a style background, right? So this is just like CSS, right? Style background. And we're doing a formula here. So we're comparing if the end date is greater than the current time. So that means that it's not overdue. We're putting that green color as the background. And if not, then it's going to show up as red. And this is going to show up as red either either having a date which is overdue or not having an end date. Okay, so if we do not have an end date, it's also going to become red. So we can just copy this, come back here, and I can just copy and paste on top of it, and I can just hit save. And when we hit save, it's going to change the color. So now I can just close this, and I have the cards changed to what I need. So if you like this and if you want this for your board, you can just copy the code down there on the video description. And I hope you like this.